It is pouring out rain in Stamford, that 100 Briarbrae. Huge rain. It is like a cloud burst, and then it is pouring like anything, and huge. And but a lot of flowers there in the gardens, and Susie put all the chips in the garden, red oak chips. And but the rain is very heavy rain suddenly all over. But it looks nice, garden looks nice, it needs cleaning, lawn mowing, and then it's all greenery. You can see how much water has accumulated in the back because of the heavy rain. But it looks fine, water all over the places. Hope it clears. And that's the way life was on July 1st, 2013 in 100 Briarbrae, Stamford.